the group project instruction in the WhatsApp group, right? You form a group consisting of 4 to 5 members, right? This is the week 4, so you need to form a group, and very important, the due date is 16th of June, okay, 2022. Right, my birthday is 15th of June, so very easy to remember. Okay, you just need to go to the website, DID website, Drainage Department of Irrigation and Drainage website. Okay, the website is given here, .water.gov.my, and click on the public info budget, right? Get used to this website to collect your own data for this project. So uh, from this website, you can get a lot of any kinds of data, so including okay, including rainfall data. So click on peta map. Peta means map, to study on the chosen location. So you can use different map options to view your map on this website that is suitable for your project reference. So that's your first task basically this week or next week, week 4 and to week 5. Okay. So each group must choose any different study case location. Okay. Must be different. So there are so many locations in Malaysia. So you choose anyone. Uh, recommended at common location for flood issues in Malaysia. So preferably any location that has past flood problems, flood cases in this country. With any one negeri, one daerah, any three nearest, one state, one district. Okay, daerah is district. Any three nearest rainfall station. Okay, nearest rainfall station, and at least one water level station. Okay, of related nearest river of your chosen location. So first of all, you need to choose a location, and basically you have you try to identify the nearest location at your watershed or your basin which you have chosen. So based on the public info budget map, you can close up view of this map to see the contour and location of station areas. Okay, each group can have can have the same location of negeri and daerah. I don't mind. The whole students choose, for example, negeri Johor and daerah, but different stations. But different stations. So explain your reason why you choose these stations and brief information of this location. Uh, so if you choose Sembrong, Sungai Sembrong, why do you choose Sungai Sembrong? Yeah, you know, perhaps of the the quality of the river, anything, or the agriculture of that area. Some give a certain reason. Attach the map of the proposed catchment boundary of the stations in your report. Explain on how you develop this catchment boundary. So by week 5, you should be able to uh, roughly trace your catchment boundary or your basin boundary or your watershed boundary. Then collect daily rainfall and water level data of these stations manually for at least a minimum of continuous 4 weeks, 21 days or more. Not less than 4 weeks, not more than 6 days. Save all the data using Excel, Microsoft document, date, rainfall data, and water level of stream flow. You need to visit the website every day to record the daily data. You see, the data is published daily in the website, .water.gov.my. So you can, it is you can directly collect the data online from .water.gov.my. So you don't have to go to the station and and try to collect yourself. They won't allow you. So because most of these stations are now being transmitted directly to their main office and downloaded directly. So that's why it's no more manual reading unless of course right in jungle. So then use Google Earth Pro. Okay, you need to download this application, gather the necessary information of these stations, of the area of common floods of your location, such as its geographical characteristics, the terrain profiles, the contour, the terrain meaning contour profiles, and gradient slopes between stations. So you can gain more information from the URL there given. So any 3 cross sections of the river near to the chosen water level station. So again, you can click the given URL. So week 5 to week 8, those are the things that you need to do. So analyze all the data, generate a simple map, okay, plot related graphs using suitable software technology, Microsoft Excel, okay, analyze all the data, obtain, generate, rainfall data, okay, what are the data that you need to analyze? Rainfall data, stream flow, water level data, and Google Earth information and MASMA. This is much later when we learn about MASMA. So you calculate peak flow using rational method of your proposed catchment boundary. So using cross-section profile of the river, estimate the discharge of the river at the maximum water level, compare both discharge values and explain the findings based on your understanding. So elaborate and explain all your findings in your presentation and report. So week 8 to week 12. Prepare to present your information, matters, and findings using video presentation. So not more than 8 minutes presentation. Hence, you need to document all the process using videos, pictures, and compile it in one creative videos. So by week 10, you should have done that and submit your report in week 13, that is 16 June. Okay, the report must be typewritten in English and should contain the following sections: introduction, methodology, data presentation, analysis and result, discussion, and conclusion. Of course, references also. So at the end of your report, it is compulsory to attach minutes of your meetings. Okay, if you discuss even online discussion, you must write your own minutes of meeting and list down contribution by each member, right? Okay, each member, for example, Shazani, okay, he collected the rainfall data. And then Danish collected the stream flow data. So you must write what are the tasks each member did, okay, in your minutes. So the produce a video presentation not more than 8 minutes, must be in English, must involve all members. Okay, if you have 4 members, there must be 4 people presenting. If you have 5 members, there must be 5 people presenting. Okay, should be creative and entertaining. Okay, must be uploaded on YouTube, Dailymotion, Vimeo, and the link must be shared in your report. Okay, I will click the link that you give right to me. So the total points is 20%, consisting of cognitive skills 5%, psychomotor skills. Your presentation is basically psychomotor skills 7.5%, effective skills also 7.5%. Right. So you for the method of assessment, you can look up the rubric, which I also WhatsApp the project assessment rubric in the WhatsApp group. Okay, this is a template for minutes of meeting, right? So who attended, meeting number, date and time. So what are the agenda? Okay. So what are the details? For example, as I said, the task of collecting rainfall data. Okay, the person in charge is perhaps Shazani here. And then plus the task of downloading from Google Map. Perhaps Ikram. Okay, and so on and so forth. Meetings could be conducted through online, Google Meet, video conferencing, phone chat, email, etc. Just provide evidence. Yeah, list of individual contributions. The name of member. Okay, this is for final assessment. Okay, name of member. Okay, and then what did he contribute in the group? Right. So if you have 4 person in your group, so each member will have to list down. Okay, this is the project assessment rubric. Right, any questions so far? Clear? So start forming a group. All right, students, can you see this slide?
Yes.
All right.